because all these clever features.
Yeah.
Now, it also has a HEPA filter in here, which is washable. So it picks up 99.9% of allergens and germs and bacteria in the house. And it can pick up very small particles as well. Now, over here, we have just some spices. I think I used ginger spice. And it will pick up that with ease. In fact, it will pick up down to 0.3 microns.
What is that?
Well, so a human hair is 60 microns. It's 61,000th of a millimetre. 0.3, you know, microscopic. But all the things like pollen it will pick up, will go into the HEPA filter. This machine also features the dirt detect. Can you see on the back we've got those purple LED lights? That is because it's detected dirt. If I pulled this back, you'd see it goes white. That's telling me that part of the floor is clean.
Very clever.
So as soon as I go on to needing dirt detection, and so if you're vacuuming and you think think it looks clean, or maybe you don't see as well, or maybe you're vacuuming in dim light, those LEDs will tell you as soon as they go white, it means that the surface is clean.
Amazing. David, question. In my dad's house, would those lights ever show white? I don't think it would.
I haven't been to your dad's house.
Yeah, maybe don't. No, we've got all sorts of scientists in there right now, so it'll probably never show white in his house, but that's OK. I think he might be watching, but it's true. All right, it is the latest machine from Shark. You are loving it. Converts into a handheld. Just over your shoulder there is everything we get, isn't it, David?
Yeah, that's right. So you get all these accessories with today's special value. Obviously, you have the multi-tool, which is brilliant in itself because it has an attachment that comes up. So you've got the lint tool underneath. You can brush all those fabrics and sofas, get rid of the pet hair.
Lovely.
You've got the crevice wand, so if you haven't done your spring cleaning, maybe getting up and doing the cobwebs with that or wherever you need to do, you can also bend down easily with that. Very, really good tool. But my personal favourite is the motorised tool here, or the stairs cleaner, as I call it, because you've got the motorised Shark blade in there, which also has the anti-hair wrap technology, but because it's motorised, all of the pile of the carpet is lifted. So once you do your stairs with one of these, it looks like a brand new carpet again. I absolutely love that. Great for car mats as well, if you like valeting your car.